Oh, fuck. Straight left and left straight.
You went deep. There.
Out here.
That was probably him, honestly.
Got it. No. Reload, boys.
I'm already good.
Nice.
It's this left side right here.
1, 2, 3.
Dogfish?
You got him.
Yes, sir, Hoppy. Hoppy got it.
Bass. Ready.
Where?
On the right. Just a second. He's just out of the fucking
I
line.
see him, he's right there.
Just don't fucking lob an arrow at him.
Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
On 3. This one? I can't get a shot.
Oh, fuck.
He
There.
went right there.
Yep.
How can you see where my light is?
Yep. Got it, Sam?
Yep.
God, it was tough to see. And we came in a little fucking wind and
Sam,
that's not it, is it?
That's him.
That's
he has
it.
the launch in his fucking
Yep.
head. See,
Hang
Sam,
on.
I told you.
Ready?
2, 3.
Someone drilled him.
Someone hit him.
That's you, Hoppy.
I got him.
Nice one, nice one.
I think we're a little tangled in. I'm stuck down there.
Oh, what?
Still sitting there.
Shoot on.
Shoot him.
No.
Wait. Wait. Hold on.
Better hurry, boy.
What? Did you see how close that duck was?
Fuck, I'm stuck.
This way. Just
I'm moving it. Moving the reeds.
Fucking angel.
No.
fuck. Oh fuck me. Really?
What?
Now he fucking took off. Son of a bitch.
Is the red light on?
Yeah. God, you do have to pull your fucking arrows out of the snake right there. Yo, Sam. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Stuck him. Stuck him. Stuck him.
Where is he? Here, let me get in here.
What's this? Hey, shoot him.
Better hurry, boy. Fuck, I'm stuck. Fucking A, Julian. Fucking A, Julian, he's brain dead.